frenzy in Costa Rica has turned into an all-out battleground. And for 4 species that call this region home, the fight is life or death. My name is Felipe D'Andrade, and I'm a National Geographic wildlife filmmaker. It looks like one of the alpha males and then a juvenile male. My passion for animals has taken me across the world and given me a deep appreciation for this earth. For season 2 of Untamed, we'll be exploring one of the most biologically diverse countries in the world, Costa Rica. The Terimakasih mountain range is home to 4 of the most extraordinary species of hummingbirds in all of Costa Rica. The fiery-throated, volcano, lesser violet ear, and the Terimakasih hummingbird. Because they make their home at an elevation of 9,000 feet, nectar-rich flowers are more difficult to come by. And that means these tiny birds live in a constant feeding frenzy. But in all this fighting over food, they're actually benefiting the world around them. These little birds have a much larger impact than people realize. This larger male isn't quite ready to give up this valuable resource to a rival bird. Her efforts have also drawn in the attention of males outside of her species, turning a difficult task into a nearly impossible one. And decide her fate. The survival of this species depends on fierce females who will live on to attract a mate and carry on their line.